back to the channel. We're going to do another open box video tonight, and I got some new stuff in here today. A couple more things I got to show you. Last video you probably saw we did the Sandberg rear diff brace kit, the one that allows you to reuse your stock FD diff. So that's going to get an install video here soon. I just got to clean it up and stuff, but again, this already has like port 15 or port 16, whatever it's called, on it, which is good, so it's not going to rust. Great. Happy goodbye. This is the main item I've been waiting to show up all week. It popped up on no rotors, and no, it's not fuel stuff from Radium, but it popped up on no rotors, and I really just was like, man, I got to jump on this before it goes. It was a great deal, and I thought I'd really just show you what's going on, and then I have a couple other things I'm going to open up too. So I'm really excited about this one, so let's go ahead and open it up. So again, like I told you, it popped up one day, I looked at it, I consulted a couple friends about it, and it was just too good of a deal. So what we have is ECU and custom wiring harness for the LS. So this guy who decided to switch over to Holley, yeah, that's right, he decided to switch over to Holley, had posted basically his entire wiring harness setup for sale, and it's on this No Rotors Facebook page. So I saw it go up, I instantly reached out to him, asked him a whole bunch of questions, kind of figured out what everything was for, and I mean, I really just couldn't beat the price for what I got. I essentially got a LS ECU with the HP tuners. I don't know exactly how HP tuners works 100%. I'm still new to it, but essentially like unlocked with HP tuners with a tune on it. So essentially ECU, HP tuners programming, or the tokens, a NA tune that's good for like 400 horsepower with a cam, the Dakota digital for like the RPM speed reader. I forget exactly what it does. I've never had to use one before. The mounting bracket so it can mount like a factory ECU location, and then of course you know what everyone wants to see here, the custom wiring harness from Wiring Specialties. I have used them in the past. They make a decent product, and I wasn't gonna go with them for this car. Sorry guys, SD card got full. So like I was saying, this is a Wiring Specialties harness. I wasn't originally going to purchase this harness just because I felt some of the prices for their products have been kind of high lately, or they have gotten higher since I last used one of their products on my 240. But this one, I really just couldn't beat it. Like I said, harness, ECU, Dakota with a tune, mounting bracket. It was a great price. So this is everything I need to go ahead and do the LS swap. It works with see right there, Rx7 interior. Basically, it's going to go through the firewall. It's going to meet up with all the factory stuff for the dash. Going to be able to mount this in the stock location. Going to be able to use my speedometers and all that stuff. It is not set up for the AC, but there's a guy who makes an AC plug and play kit with like the condensers and the lines and everything. I'm going to purchase his, so shouldn't be any problems. We're going to have a full AC, full power steering in this FD. I really want those creature comforts because I've always kind of sacrificed creature comforts for builds or power or something. Like my GSX didn't have AC. My Evo, I took the AC out because my stuff was leaking and it wasn't really working anymore, so I took it out. I think my first ever built GSX also no AC, and the 240 was no AC. So I really want to have AC in this car. Big turbo LS with AC. So that's this stuff. Super pumped, super pumped about this. Plus I also got, in another video, see, I also got these These are brand new coil pack harnesses, exactly like the wiring specialties stuff. I already tested them. They plug in, works good. So also ordered a couple of little things here. Let's go ahead and get these opened. This, yeah. Alright, this is, oh yeah, okay. So this right here is the oil pickup for an LS engine. This is basically like a billet collar. It helps support the pickup tube because apparently it's only bolted down with one bolt, and it's pretty long and heavy. So I guess this just supports it. It was cheap. It's like $10 ship on eBay. People said they had success with it, so I rolled with it. Pretty good, easy thing there. This right here is, yep. All right. So right here we got, let's put this down. We got some fuel stuff. Oop. All right. So what I had ordered was essentially a dual fuel pump install kit for, it's like universal, but it's basically so I can run dual Walbro 450s in tank. So essentially it's bulkhead fitting up to a -8, basically a split feed. So this is going to go on here, and then the other one's going to, or it's probably going to be this side. It doesn't really matter. One's going to go on here, one's going to run to the pump, and then the other one's going to go on here, and then the other one's going to run to the pump, and then I can basically just mount, kind of clamp it together, but mount two 450 pumps together. This can feed up to -8. It also can reduce down to -6 if I need it to. So there's that. And then it came with a 2-wire bulkhead connector, but a good friend was telling me that these burn out quickly. So he told me to, when I ordered this kit, to go ahead and order a 4-wire bulkhead connector, because the twin pumps, I guess, burn out the stock wiring pretty easily when you wire it in. So he said to switch it up to the 4-wire and then basically run 2 independent wires off. So I'll go more into that when it comes time to install that stuff. But that is the main stuff this week, and then I'll go ahead and do a new video on this, and I bet you guys can guess what this is. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Tons of videos to come. Thanks for staying tuned.